I have received a donation, my first donation to the lab, and it comes courtesy of Thomas Rechtenwald, and the machine is this Bissell Power Force bagged. But what I'm missing is the bags. So I happened to pick this up, and I wanted to do an unboxing, real exciting, and an analysis of how good these bags are. Now, normally I use HEPA bags, but in a lot of my bag tests, I have found that if you have many, many layers and a high quality paper bag, you're okay, but you're not anywhere really near HEPA. I mean, you'll be fine with this, but it's not that great. So my particle counter says that this gets around a little over 4,000 count. So what will these actually do? And I imagine that most people buying this machine will probably not invest in the HEPA bags. So this is what they look like. That is a very thick, well-sealed bag. And the claim says, I love this, premium allergen filtration. Okay. I guess that's a relative term, the idea of premium. Let's find out what it actually means. And let's see here. It says, oh, I love this. Let me get this real close here. Premium allergen filtration bags effectively trap household fibers, grass pollens, ragweed pollens, blah, blah, blah. Check your bag after every use. Okay, so no part of this says anything about how well it filters. It's just kind of general, what we call hand waving. So let's make this as real as possible. These are Bissell Type 7 bags. You get a 3-pack of them, and they're around $6. So here's what the bag says. There we go. It does have a rubber seal. And you have, I knew it had to be there somewhere. I was wondering where it went. You have these little scent, what do we call them? Scent, I don't know, cardboard pieces, I suppose. I mean, it's not a tablet. It's just a scent strip. There we go. I'll just call it a scent strip. Just can't really think of the word. What do you call a piece of paper that's scented? So you can choose to put that inside the bag to keep everything smelling nice, especially if you vacuum up something stinky. But let's put this on my normal bag testing setup. So I have temporarily unretired the Kirby G5 for consistency's reasons. I'll set this back up with my particle meter, and let's see what this thing does. So it looks like it is, it feels like it's somewhat thick, but honestly, now I've already taken this apart. I don't remember exactly how many layers there was, but it's more than one, and the inside isn't the same thing as the outside. So this is multiple layers. So will this do something in the 4,000 range? Worse, better? Let's find out. We're all set up to go ahead and measure this Bissell Type 7 bag. And I went and checked my 2 best paper bag ratings. So the Kirby was like in the low 4,000s, but the Hoover Type Y was in the low 3,000s. For paper, again, all paper. The HEPA ones were much lower than that. So let me go ahead and run this and see how well this does. So it definitely is multiply, and I think you've probably seen me tear it apart in an older video. But how well is this really going to filter? That is incredible. We're talking near cloth HEPA standards for these inexpensive bags. I think they're about $2 a piece. So I'm somewhat in shock. I really thought that maybe these are, too many years old. They've been in the package too long. Whatever. Maybe they've started to decay. I could believe that. But these Febreze bags, man, 2 huge thumbs up for those things. If you want to use the paper version of the bags that could fit in here, the most commonly used bags that I think most owners are probably going to use in this machine, then yes, these bags here from Walmart for maybe $2 a piece, very highly recommended. So that is fantastic and sets a new record for paper bag filtration. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.